The equities market closed trading activities on a negative note as NSE ASI records 0.12% loss amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed positive. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 8.26%. Welcome to the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, June 25th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 24,625.24 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.845 trillion naira in 3,413 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors lost 15.55 billion naira as market recorded 9 gainers to 8 losers. Nemet International Pharmaceuticals, Wema Bank and Chams PLC were top gainers for equity, while Linkage Assurance, Japan Oil and Maritime Services and Livestock Feeds were among the top losers. Zenith Bank, Transnational Corporation of Nigeria and FBN Holdings were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.64 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 387 naira 46 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 387 naira 8 kobo to a dollar and closed at 287 naira 27 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC, the NSI closed at 709.11 basis points with a market capitalization of 520.89 billion. The volume of shares traded was 16,740 and 2.70 million in terms of value traded in 7 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, Banwo and Igodalo has been declared as the most active solicitor in Q1 2020 for the listings and quotations of fixed income securities excluding Federal Government of Nigeria securities such as FGN bonds and treasury bills on the FMDQ Securities Exchange Limited. This declaration is contained in the FMDQ's Financial Market Review Report, detailing the performances of primary market sponsors and registered solicitors in the period under review with respect to the total corporate bonds and commercial papers listed and quoted on the exchange. As indicated in the report, a total number of 4 issues of bonds valued at 136.75 billion naira and 25 issues of CPs valued at 296.41 billion naira were recorded in Q1 2020. For the market and economic events to watch today, United Capital PLC is having its first Pan-African e-conference on fostering innovative cross-border financing solutions across sub-Saharan Africa needed to close the massive funding gaps in key sectors across the continent. The e-conference will feature thought leaders and leading minds in Africa's financial and investment landscape. Also, as part of FMDQ's role as a catalyst for infrastructure capital, the CEO, Mr. Bola Onadele Koko, will speak at the Public-Private Partnerships for the National Highway Development and Management Initiative webinar with the topic Risk Assessment and Financing Options. And that's a wrap for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday programs. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.